Their Majesties invite him to their court, Günter von Atzinger.
He's unable to stay, but I'll accept on behalf.
So let it be known that we, Louis, King of the Middle Kingdom, and Sivar, Queen of War and Song, now grant unto Günter von Atzinger, and Ward of Arms for his service to the barony of Flame in fighting and archery. Now this was given by their hands on the 8th day of July in their March Avenue.
I am going to show off our archery.
So just so everyone knows, if you're also interested, not only does he do fighting, archery, but he also does woodworking, as we can see from the shield that His Grace Ruler won in the tournament. Very well deserved.
For Lord Günter, huzzah!
Huzzah!